Hi there, welcome back again. Mm. At present, times are hard, really hard, because there are a lot of energies coming in that affect us on various levels. And I myself, when I wake up in the morning, I'm in sweat because my body is purging apparently all the night. To clear my body of debris and density and toxic things, I think. I have already made several videos on how to deal with ascension energies. So please, if you don't feel well, you can look at these. They are how to navigate the chaos, about ascension symptoms, and what is purging. How do I deal with all the stuff that is coming up? I can tell you one thing, it is very easy. I sleep. And I feel that is the most important thing I can do now. Today, I think it was this morning, I watched a video where it has been said, so really transforming events are lying ahead. And the best thing that you can do now is to rest as much as you can. To rest and to breathe. So even it is not very appropriate now, right before Christmas. It is very, very important. And for myself, I feel that there is nothing that is more important than that. So I go to sleep really very, very early, between 6 and 8 p.m. Sometimes I wake up in the night, sometimes not. And I walk around a bit in my flat and then without switching the light on, and then I go back to sleep, and I sleep until 5 or 6 in the morning. I have never slept so much, but at present I feel it is really, really important. And sometimes I even I always do a little nap after lunch for years now, because I think it is important for me, or it gives me the energy for the second half of the day. But what is new is that during this time, I really fall asleep for 2 hours or so. And so obviously my body needs this. And so at present, I really lead a very retired life. I sleep a lot. I try to nourish me well. I'm doing my videos. I go to work. Sometimes I go into nature, and yes, I'm doing bodyful sounds, and this is all. It's a very, very simple life, but it suits me very well. And I can only encourage you to rest as much as you can. I think it is the biggest favor you can do for yourself. So this is a short message. And yes, Have a nice day. Until next time. Bye.